Hey everyone, and hey Jake, happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday, Emma. You look super cozy today. Sweater, messy bun, big coffee mug. You're basically the definition of weekend energy.
Yeah, this is my don't bother me, I'm relaxing outfit. How's your morning going?
Pretty easy, honestly. I woke up late, made eggs, watched the rain a little, very calm. You?
I woke up early because my neighbor's dog barked like an alarm clock, but after that, I just made a warm drink and sat by the window. It's one of those slow, soft mornings.
Ah, the best kind. And you kind of have that, I was thinking about something deep face.
Do I? Maybe I was thinking about something. Can you guess?
Let me try. Were you thinking about food?
No.
Travel?
Nope.
Sleep?
Always, but no.
Okay. Last guess. Movies?
Yes! How did you get it?
Easy. It's rainy, you look cozy, it's weekend, that's movie mood.
And actually, before we get into today's topic, if you love learning English through real conversations like this, please hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who is also learning English.
Yeah, it helps the channel grow. And trust me, we notice every new person who joins us. We read your comments, we see your support.
So thank you! Okay, now we can jump into today's topic. So today, we're talking about movies. How to talk about movies in English, how to describe them, how to share your opinion, everything.
Yeah, and movies are a perfect topic for English learners because almost everyone watches them. Even if you don't watch many, you know at least a few big ones.
Like the classic, Titanic?
Yes, the movie everyone cried to at least once.
I cried like a baby.
I pretended I didn't cry, but I did.
I knew it. So, Jake, let's start simple. What's your favorite movie of all time?
That's hard. But okay, I think my favorite is The Shawshank Redemption.
Ooh, good choice. That movie makes you feel hopeful. Want to show learners how to talk about it?
Sure. You can say things like, my favorite movie is blank. I love it because the story is blank. The message of the movie is blank. I've seen it many times.
Nice. Okay, my turn. My favorite movie is Inside Out.
Oh, the emotions movie. That's very you.
Yeah, because I'm basically a walking emotion. But I love it because it's fun, colorful, and meaningful.
And in English, you can say, I like movies that make me think. I enjoy movies that make me feel something.
Exactly. Movies that touch your heart. So, what kind of movies do you like on weekends?
On weekends, I like comfort movies. Easy, warm, relaxing, like rom-coms.
Romantic comedies?
Yes! In English, you can say, I like light movies. I enjoy feel-good movies.
I like comfort movies too, but mine are usually superhero movies. I watch them and suddenly feel stronger.
You are strong. Well, emotionally, anyway.
Emotionally strong counts. Okay, vocabulary time. Movie genres are categories like action, romance, comedy, horror, adventure, fantasy, animation, documentary, drama.
And you ask, what kind of movies do you like? I like blank movies. I'm not a fan of blank.
For example, I love adventure movies. I'm not a fan of horror because horror makes me scream.
You scream at everything.
Hey, that's true, but rude. Okay, let's talk about the famous one, Titanic.
Ah, Titanic. Just saying the name makes my heart hurt a little bit.
Same, and it's a great movie to practice English descriptions.
For example, Titanic is a romantic drama. It's based on a true story. The ending is very emotional.
And you can talk about characters, like Jack is brave, Rose is strong.
And the most important question? Did Jack have enough space on that door?
Yes, there was space. I will die on this hill.
I agree. The movie broke my heart, but also made me fall in love with storytelling.
And that's something you can say. This movie made me feel connected to the characters. This movie stayed in my mind for days.
Okay, let's teach them how to express their opinion.
Easy sentences like, I really liked it. It was amazing. It was okay. I didn't enjoy it.
And for stronger opinions, the story was beautiful. The ending was surprising. The acting was incredible. The movie was a little slow.
But be nice. Some people take movies very seriously.
Yeah, we don't want movie fights in the comments.
You know when we watched that terrible movie together?
Which one? There were many.
Oh my God, yes. What was that?
I don't even know, but in English you can say, the movie was weird. The story didn't make sense.
And when you love a movie, you can say, I couldn't stop watching. It kept me interested the whole time.
Or, I'd watch it again.
Here are some simple questions. What's your favorite movie? Who is your favorite actor? What did you think about the movie? Did you like the ending? Would you recommend it?
And recommendations sound like, you should watch it. I think you'll like it. It's worth watching. Do you remember the first movie you ever saw in a theater?
Yes, I was 5. Toy Story 2. My feet couldn't even touch the ground.
Oh. My first movie was A Cinderella Story. I felt like a princess walking out of the theater.
That tracks. You still have princess energy sometimes.
Thank you, I guess. These memories are great for practicing English. I watched it when I was a kid. I remember feeling excited. It was a special moment.
You know, sometimes you don't like a movie, but you want to say it politely.
Good point. Try these. It wasn't my favorite. It was a bit slow for me. I didn't connect with the story.
Or even, I prefer other genres.
Okay, Emma, it's Saturday. If you had to watch a movie tonight, what would you pick?
Something warm. Maybe a romantic comedy? Or maybe something nostalgic like The Princess Diaries.
Classic comfort movie. I might watch an action movie. Something loud. Something exciting.
Something very Jake.
Exactly.
So today we learned how to talk about movies in English, your favorites, your opinions, your memories, your weekend movie choices.
And we learned so many useful phrases you can use every day in real conversations.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
Yeah, it helps the channel grow. And trust me, we notice every new person who joins us. We read your comments, we see your support.
So thank you. Okay, now we can jump into the topic. Oh, no. So today we learned how to talk about movies in English, your favorites, your opinions, your memories, your weekend movie choices.
And we learned so many useful phrases you can use every day in real conversations.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might like this topic.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite movie and why? We'll read them. And who knows, maybe your favorite movie will be the topic of a future lesson.
Thank you for hanging out with us on this cozy weekend. Stay warm, stay safe, and keep learning
The English word. Bye, everyone.